All right, so we're gonna be doing a full meal prep right now. So we're gonna just be making about 4 things: taco casserole, vegan tuna, tomato soup, and a shepherd's pie. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add these potatoes in here, double it up. All right, I'm gonna get started with this soup. A little bit of olive oil, these onions, and garlic. So we got our zucchini and our carrot, and then we got our tomato. Veggie stock, which for me, I just have this water with some veggie bouillon. I'm using this one, the Better Than Bouillon, the sauteed onion, 1/3 cup lentils, paprika, garlic, pepper, tomato paste. Just gonna mash these potatoes up really good. I'm gonna add a little butter, some salt, pepper, fresh garlic. I've got flax milk right now, but whatever you have, really. I'm gonna add a little bit of this coconut just to make it a little creamy. So we let that cook for a little bit, and now we're just gonna transfer it over to our blender. A little bit of olive oil, onions, garlic, broccoli, bell peppers. We're also gonna add in about 1/2 cup of corn. All right, we're gonna make our Tex-Mex blend. So we're gonna take 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1.5 teaspoons of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne. We're just gonna kind of eyeball that one. I'm just gonna put a little bit, because I'm actually gonna add in this chili lime seasoning from Trader Joe's that I really like, and I think it'll be a nice addition to the flavor. Great, so we got our veggies here. They're cooking nice and beautifully. Throw that in there. Canned tomatoes with the juice. Chopped green chili. All right, and then we're gonna get our other dish going. All right, so we got our peas and our corn. Add our chickpeas. Just gonna cook all that up together. Add this tofu in here, curry powder, and then I take a little bit of this ginger powder, the rest of this coconut milk. I'm just gonna add it in there. And then instead of using salt, I'm just gonna add a little bit of this bouillon, maybe like 1/2 teaspoon or so. All right, we're gonna just go ahead and get this pan nice and oiled down. So if you have a spray oil, that's ideal. If you don't, you can use a brush. If you don't have a brush, you can use a spatula. I'm gonna go ahead and scoop some of this rice in here. Boop. And we're just gonna flatten that out, make a nice even layer. All of this goodness and just pour it on top of there. Oh yeah, look at that. Right, here's where you would take some of your extra vegan cheese and just sprinkle it on top. But I don't have any right now. So we're gonna get our shepherd's pie going. So we're gonna toss all of this potato into this pan. And we're just gonna lay this on top of here. Check this out. Wow. We're gonna stick both of these in the oven, and then while that's happening, I'm gonna go ahead and finish my last dish. 1 can of our chickpeas, a can of artichoke hearts, tempeh, about 1/2 container of tempeh, 2 pickles, some pepper, this tahini dressing, dill seed, a little bit of this dill weed. So these are lemons from my tree in the back. Super grateful for that. And then I'm just gonna mix all of this up together. There we have it. We've got our casserole with our black beans, our Tex-Mex casserole. We got our shepherd's pie. We got our soup and our chickpea tempeh tuna.